Hello everyone, so as I was editing today's next video, which was actually going to be about DeFi farming, crypto staking, I got a notification on Discord and it was about two new updates we have about CryptoBlade's. So of course I had to stop what I was doing to try and be the first one to announce this. So Krog and Levitate, they both released two updates, and to be fair, these updates were already talked about before, but today one of them is actually going live. So let's read what Croak said. As promised, we've been working diligently on getting approval to run Google Ads on our site, which will generate revenue for every one of your beautiful eyeballs, as well as your delicate caressing clicks. And now they're live. So the CryptoBlade's website now has running ads by Google AdSense, which it was talked about before, but we didn't know when it was going to be available. And he keeps on going. We're also working on additional sponsorships where reputable companies in the crypto space can offer our users some really awesome deals and incentives, which will further serve to add more rewards to our pool. So stay tuned for that. So why are they doing this? Because from the ad revenue and from the sponsorships, they're gonna be able to pay more skill, because as you know, it was cut. So since a month ago, more or less, no one is making money on the game. I tried to use the calculator on the website, and you actually need to have a 5-star weapon and to have a 61 plus character level to be able to make profits. And I'm talking about like 10 cents, 20 cents a day, not more than that. So they're gonna use the revenue they're generating from Google AdSense, which I'm not sure it's gonna be enough actually, because we have 400,000 people playing the game, so I'm not quite sure Google AdSense are actually going to be enough to cover for all the costs, but if they say so, that's okay. And he keeps on going. This brings us to one very important step closer to being able to sustain our large player base, something that no other game project can accomplish without a multi-tiered revenue stream plan like we have. Let's keep going. Love you all. And then the meme. So this is update number 1. If it's the first time you get into the website, you're gonna see up here, it's gonna have a little pop-up asking you to accept or deny cookies on your website, because now they're running ads. So if you see that, now you know what it means. It means that ads will be running. Now I have ad block on, so probably no ads will be shown, but it's probably gonna be in these empty spaces. So now going back to update number 2, which is from Levitate or Buff Daddy, and he says CryptoBlade's is working on a fresh new look with an entire UI overhaul, which we were waiting already. We saw some previews, some sneak peeks of how the game is going to look, like how the UI is going to be reformed, and that looks more neat and professional. The menu tabs are well organized with the feature sets under each tab. The new UI also aims to provide a consistent user experience across all features, which is nice. I have been waiting for a new UI and a new, better looking website, so I can dig that. And it says better UX across different platforms, mobile phones, tablets, and desktop, because as you know, you can also play from mobile phones and tablets, taking the game to the next level as we strive to become the world's first NFT game, which I think is going to be pretty hard considering how the game is going right now, but they're putting in the effort, so we'll see. Preparing the game to scale for more exciting features that will enhance the value of your NFTs. And then he keeps on going. First, we've updated the look and the feel of the entire platform with a new font, icons, and styles. These new styles are pleasing to the eye and make it easier and more efficient to navigate into CryptoBlade's. For example, the headers of each section are now easier to read because it was that greenish olive color, which I kind of think is ugly. New fonts to draw the eye to the information that matters the most, and new button styles and colors intuitively highlight the next step a user should take to advance their engagement. Not too long ago, we mentioned that we're just getting started. We mean it. We aren't going anywhere, and our feature plans are going to blow up the NFT world. So he says this design right here is a work in progress, but this is the idea. So the general idea, as we can see, it's going to be this nice blue, which I prefer to the old dead looking olive green. We'll see the new characters that are going to be in the game, the leaderboard. So it's a pretty good looking UI. So let's hope this is enough to save the game. And these were the updates for today. As you can see, Skill is around 45 and 58 cents US dollars, and BNB is around 504. So gas is still getting more and more expensive by the day. So what do you think about the new updates? Are there going to be enough to save the game, or are they just trying to revive something that's already dead? Please let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer to everyone as fast as I can, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.